Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Romine, and I'm so glad to be with you guys today at Advantage Heating and Air Conditioning. You have been amazing to us as an organization. I am the International Director and Founder of Call to Rescue. Our mission is to rescue minor children from sex trafficking.
How can people best support you and Called to Rescue?
Well, for me, I need people that are willing to go look for people, civilian task force members, and there is training online for that. And I do say no to a lot of people because there's a lot of people who can't do that. For instance, I just had this beautiful lady say, I'm giving you this offering because I can't do what you need me to do on the streets. You know, and of course we take offerings, and that's fine, and we're called to rescue.org. So you can find us, you can find out what we're doing, and participate that way.
And how did you connect with Advantage Heating originally?
How did I connect with Advantage Heating originally?
I wasn't sure.
I'm not sure either now that you asked me, but I know that your dad and your sister and other employees of Advantage Heating have gone with me overseas to do mission work.
Yeah, I actually want to interview Kate just about some of her experiences working with you. We were supposed to do that last week, and she ended up being sick, and so I figured I'd just wait until after we had a chance to talk.
Yeah, but Kate and Brianna are just amazing and your dad is amazing, right? But if you ask me for sure how your dad connected with us, I'm not sure how that happened.
I know that it must have been pretty impactful because I know then I'm pretty sure Kate did several missions, if you will, with you.
On the street in Portland, absolutely. Yeah.
And then we have, I don't remember exactly what it is, Bree would probably know better, but I know that there's a small portion of our VIP maintenance plans that where a small portion of those dollars get funneled to.
I know, it's fabulous, absolutely. Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Romine, and I'm the International Director for Called to Rescue. We rescue kids from all over the world from sex trafficking. Today I had a call from a dad from Billings, Montana. I'm in Portland, Oregon, and he said, my kid is missing in your area. Can you find her? I said, absolutely. After talking about the situation, I said, call the guys that have her and tell them you're willing to pay. He said, I don't have any money. I don't have any money to get your team out on the street. I don't have any money to rescue my kid. He said, I don't have any finances. And I said, it's not a problem. Advantage Heating and Air Conditioning gives to us faithfully all the time, which helps me provide for the rescue for my kids, along with many, many other donors. I have support that is fabulous, but Advantage Heating and Air Conditioning are always there to help me out in time of need.